many countries have I skied in? Okay, well, let's see, I wrote it down, so probably about 20, starting with Russia and Singapore and Greece and India, Japan, Italy, France, Spain, Austria, Chile, Peru, to name a few. The lake I remember most? Well, the one that's probably the most fun for us is Thomas de Gasperi's ski school on Lake Caldonazzo in northern Italy. I can recommend that to anybody. The Guinness World Record, well, it was established for the first time by me by skiing 49 lakes in one day. So it was quite the feat and well organized. We took off by plane in Southern California before daylight, and ended up at about 10:30 at night. The favorite lake was the last one because we got to quit and go have a beer.